Quick package to unbox with you, and I'm honestly so excited. I did have a little sneak peek because I couldn't help myself. This is from the beloved Casey cloths, and they sent me a package. I'm so excited to show you what's inside. If you've watched some of my skincare videos, you know that the Casey cloth is an absolute staple in my skincare and beauty routine. I honestly cannot, and I don't think I'll ever be able to live without it. There is something that I'm not allowed to show you just yet, so I'm just going to remove that out of the package real quick. Just quickly put that aside. When the time is right, I'll be happy to share that with you. First up, here's a little leaflet which says, "Hi there, we're so excited to welcome you to the Casey Cloths family," but I'm already a part of it. If you want to read there, have a look, and please go follow their social media pages. But when they say this is your skincare bestie, that is an understatement, because I love these cloths so much. They sent me, wow. Oh, I love purple, and like they were so sweet to actually take note of that. Yeah, thank you so much. There's this purple one. I struggle with texture around my cheeks, and ever since I've been using these cloths, my skin has improved so much. They were also so kind to send a men's one as well. Yes, they do also stock an entire men's range. So if you have a boyfriend or a husband or somebody in your family is looking for a lappy or a cloth to cleanse their skin with, look no further than Casey cloths, because Jason actually wanted a cloth and I've been meaning to get him one, but they sent him one, so I can't wait for him to also try this and give his feedback on that. I just love these cloths so much, and this could literally replace your cleanser entirely. That's how amazing these cloths are. Let me actually just show you one. This is the purple one. I'm gonna open it up. These are sealed so nicely. You get your own little, I'm gonna have to get a pair of scissors just to sit tight. I was saying, they package these so nicely, and this is a pack, a little baggie you can put your Casey cloth in and travel with, and I've done it multiple times. But guys, I don't think you understand how soft these cloths are. Recently, I actually got my friend who struggles with her skin, I got her a cloth and she tried it, and she is absolutely obsessed, and she has sensitive skin. So if you're a sensitive girl, or you struggle with your skin perhaps, or like some ingredients just don't do it for you, please do yourself a favor and try the Casey cloth. Like, you will not regret it. I absolutely love it, and it's so soft. I think like you can just see by the texture of it, it's really amazing. I'll tag them down below, so please go give them a follow and purchase your new bestie, because I'm telling you right now, you need it. You need her in your life. And then lastly, what I want to show you is they recently released a new product, which is their castor oil. Now this is certified pure organic, cold press and hexane free castor oil. Now this is their smaller size, and it comes in a little roller bottle, which I think is absolutely so cute. Oh, that is perfect. So you can just roll it on wherever you need be, and I just find that is absolutely cute. Just to show what it looks like. So most definitely, if you're looking for an organic and hexane free castor oil, then Casey Cloths is the place to go. I will tag their social medias in the caption. Please go give them a follow and get yourself a cloth, because trust me, you need it. I think Jason is gonna absolutely love this. Like, he's been asking me like, I want a cloth, I want a cloth, I want a cloth, and I'm just like, hey, sorry. And I'm just like, I'm gonna get you one, I'm gonna get you one, I'm gonna get you one. I honestly did not expect them to send this, so thank you so much, Casey Cloths. I love you, and if you try these, you're gonna love them too, because staples. And the amazing thing is you literally only have to use water, like that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a beautiful day, and remember to grab your bestie. Bye.